pinky out, baby. Good girl. That's a lot of peanut butter. Holy moly. You like strawberry jelly? This is, well, strawberry jam. Put it here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Thank you.
Here, can I see that? Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Do you want the plate?
No.
I didn't think so. I know you can't eat all that, but we'll just save the rest, okay? Okay, baby. Mama's gonna make oatmeal for herself, okay? Oh, I'm gonna put some peanut butter in it. Herbert, I was saying that. Yeah, I wanna try it. Where's the bear cup? Is it just like missing? I have not seen it.
Okay, Mama.
Got it. Where's my favorite spoon? You having fun? Good morning. Welcome back to a new vlog. This is Vlogtober day 3. So my plans for today is finally get to the fridge. I'm gonna take the shelf out of the laundry room, and if I have time, because I have a daughter who is 2, I have a toddler. It doesn't matter if she's a girl, but I have a baby. Oh, you have a bubble beard. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. Can I show them? She's like, what are you saying? Can I show? Oh, mermaid. Pretty. So anyways, when I do more of the trimming stuff, obviously I have to get into the bathroom more, but I tried to get like down here and stuff. The floor is like stained. It's not as dirty as it looks. It's just stained. You got a little turtle? I have to have the fan going. It is so, so warm in here. Look at my cheeks. Oh my gosh. What was I gonna say? So yeah, if I have time, or maybe I'll just wait till after I get Jace, and then he can help me get the shelf, him and Julian, or either both or whatever. The boys can help me get the shelf back into the back of my Durango. And then I'm hoping this weekend Earl can figure out, maybe him and his buddy will come over, or his buddy will come over and help, hopefully, or something. And then they can get that plug out. I don't know what's going on. So I don't know, there's just the plug that's stuck. I can't really talk about stuff I don't know about. So anyways, so okay, so get the shelf out of the laundry room, clean the fridge out. I do have a load of laundry, but I want to get outside today, really, because it is nice out. So I'm thinking, like, well, I let her, if I have enough time, well, I'll have enough time. I was going to say before I have to get Jace, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to start on the shed. I was kind of preferring not to do that while she was awake, because I don't want her, she follows me everywhere, and I do not want her in that shed. There are huge spiders, like disgusting, and she'll listen to me when she wants to. So I could be like, don't go there, you know, I could be like, don't go there, but she'll look at you and be like, I'm going there. But my plan for the shed is, it doesn't have to be super organized, but I at least want it to be like, I want you to open the door and be able to walk in. And I noticed the bikes, so the shed is like long ways like this, and the bikes are sideways at the back of the shed. That doesn't help us at all. So I'm thinking at least straighten it up as much as I can, considering I don't really have many bins that I can put stuff into, or I can find bins, because I would like one bin for like decor. Like I have a bunch of Christmas decor that's kind of all over the place, so I would really like a bin for all of it. That'd be great. I don't have a lot of decor. I'm sure you guys already noticed that, but I just don't have money to go spend on decor. And it's not like my whole life up until age 39, I was like, oh, I need this for decor. Like, I just wasn't focused on that stuff. And now I'm kind of regretting it. So, yeah. But yeah, it would be nice to walk into the shed and be like, oh, there's our bikes. It's already a pain enough to try to dig them out. And on top of it, like, either bring them through the yard and go all the way around the house. It sounds like it's not hard, but it is hard because there's like extra security measures we have to go through. Hey, stop. Can you stop, please? Because we have a husky, so we make sure the gate is hard to get through. Goodness. Stop. Stop. Are you done? Oh my goodness. But yeah, so, and then on top of all of that, you have to dig them out. And it's like by the time you do all of that and get it to the front yard, you're like, I already had my workout. Why even go on a bike ride? What's the point? But I do think it would be nice, you know, get that done. But I'm feeling like I'm not going to have time today. But if the boys would help me, that would be great. So I'm going to make them do that. I'm going to ask them. But I'm going to basically tell them that I need help. And I know they can't really help that much. But maybe by like, I don't know. You know how it's like when you need help with something or you think it'd be faster if you have help, and then when they're helping, they're kind of like, well, what do you want to do with this? Well, what do you want to do with that? And you kind of like, you don't know because you're like figuring it out as you go, and then you just get annoyed and you're like, I'll just do it by myself. That's how I feel with teenagers sometimes. It's like, unless they have a clear, like, you know, directions or whatever, if they have clear directions, you know, they're not gonna, if they don't, I mean, they're not gonna really be of much help. So it's kind of like, I need to figure out what to do first, but now I'm just yakking away. So I'm gonna finish, I already took a shower. I'm giving her a bath right now. That's just usually easier for me because after I shower, I look like this, and then, not that it matters, but I mean, like, if I want to get ready, if I want to do makeup and stuff, like, I have no makeup on, you know what I mean? So if I can get ready while she's in there. Most of the time I clean the bathroom while she's in there, but it's really not bad. It's like the floors look bad, but I am in love with my new vacuum. I have been using it like crazy. I use it so early. I use it like all throughout the day. How it used to be with the other vacuum, the regular like corded vacuum, is we would just do it once and done because we don't want to pull it out and do it all over. The Dyson vacuum was like really heavy, and it was a pain in the butt just to clean your floors. So I noticed like my floors are just cleaner, longer, you know. And I did vacuum this morning, but I do see fur balls down the hall and stuff. But I'm gonna quit yakking right now and try to get her done. I'm gonna wash her up. I just let her play first, and then I try to wash her after. That way her whole body isn't freezing with her hair being wet, you know. She stays warmer longer that way. So I will finish her up, and then I gotta eat my oatmeal, and then we'll get into it. Okay, so real quick, right before I get her out, a little tip. Just so it's easier to kind of wrap a baby as you're picking her up, is you take a towel long ways. Well, if you're a woman, this will work easy. Stick it under your bra strap. So when you go to grab her, you can put this part under your armpit, and you grab her, put her up, and then boom. Or him. Whatever. You're welcome. Let's get your brush, baby. Come sit. Can you sit? Can you sit on my lap? Come here. Okay, here. Come here first. Okay, here. Come on. You gotta brush your hair. Come here. Let me brush that hair. Come here, baby. Do I need to turn off the TV? Come here. Here, can you do it? Can you do it? Keep brushing. Brush your hair. Good girl. Brush your hair, baby. here. Let me see it. Girl. Okay, sit down and brush your hair, okay? Mama's gonna fold some laundry. Bathroom. Okay, put it down. I'm folding this right now. Leave it. No. Okay, get down. No, get down. Thank you. Goodness gracious, girl. What is this? Oh. Thank you. Okay, let go. Thank you. Okay, so got the laundry folded, put away. My daughter, she really wants to go outside. So we're actually gonna go out front and water the garden, mainly tomatoes and some peppers. And then I'm gonna do the fridge later. I'm gonna try to do something in the shed. Or, I don't know, I'll figure it out. But, okay, we gotta go outside because she's like, Mom, Jay. Okay, let's go. Let's go outside. Come on, let's go. Oh, pick this up. Oh my goodness. Jack's in the window. Here, baby. What are you doing, little lady? Come here. Stay over here with mommy. My lavender is like dead. I don't know I don't know what to do, honestly. I have no idea. Oh, I need to look that up though today. I have to clip off all the dead parts. Yeah, they're like, there's so many. They're getting high. Way high up. This girl, what you doing? Here, bring that here, baby. Bring it here. I'll fill it up. Bring it over here. Okay, ready? Set it down. Here. Here, we'll set it right here. And you put this in the hole. It's gonna take a while. I'm gonna turn it up real quick. Oh, you got it? Oh! Yeah. There. Water in the grass. He's so cute. All right, let me, oh man. Okay. So I only have a little bit of time before I have to go pick up Jace, my son, my middle kid, from the bus. So you know what? I figure if I only have so much time, maybe I can actually hurry and it'll motivate me to get the fridge done faster. Or quickly, because I'm dreading it and I don't know why. And honestly, I was dreading the pantry the other day and it didn't take me that long either. I mean, I didn't wipe everything and like it wasn't crazy. I immediately took snacks out and put them somewhere else, but like that's really all it needed, and it looked like it was gonna take longer. So get this magnet off my sandal. So I'm gonna do that. I've got my oatmeal because I didn't get to finish it earlier. It was just kind of, I took a few bites and it needed to sit and like thicken. But it's still cold. She's trying to trip me, so that's fun. So I am just gonna make some room right here and start taking some stuff out. Everything ends up on the island. It's always how it goes. All right, so I'll clean this after. First off, like real quick, just take a glance and see if anything needs to be thrown out. I need to use this onion. I already checked all this stuff like the other day. I could wipe the back of this. I'm not gonna go crazy and take out the drawers and clean all that. But what in the world? Oh, put that back. But first things first, this is bad. It's lettuce. It was a salad. Stop, baby. This is for dinner. This, I don't know what that is. Maybe it's still good. All this stuff on this shelf is fine. Except for, oh my gosh. I think this needs to be rinsed out. Watch out, please. These are bad. Cornbread. I didn't even do that crouton thing I was talking about. This lettuce is no longer good. These, oh my gosh. These zucchini are moldy. Some of them, well, you know, some are worse. Watch out, please. Back up. Back up, honey. Leave it there. Oh, I just spilled the carrots. Shoot. Just when I thought it was going to be quick. Back up, back up. Okay, back up. Oh, I need a bag. What in the world is going on? Okay, look at that. Rag. So, let's just do this. Seriously, it's kind of gross. Close and personal. I have a rag that has part of it's wet and part of it's dry, so hopefully that'll help me out. That shelf is good. So this mayonnaise needs to go somewhere else. I don't want it on the shelf when I get to it. I don't like the butter being in the box. I don't know why it bugs me. So I'm gonna just grab it. Okay. So let's move some stuff down. I should do it top to bottom, but we'll just take the crock pot out. Woo! Butter, milk, strawberries, salsa, grape jelly, blueberries. I almost knocked myself in the face. It looked like I did, but I didn't. Okay. Just pretend you're in a fridge cleaning rice. It'll get done faster. Alright. That stuff back. Where is it? Where's the stuff? I don't know why salsa's up here. Honestly, it should be... makes no sense. Salsa and jelly. I need that rag. Okay, got some. You know what I'm gonna do? Actually, I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna put this on a plate so it doesn't get the bottom dirty. These. I'm making this tonight. Tonight we're gonna have what's it called? This fit. Oh, come on. my god, that is disgusting. I'm taking this out. Tonight, we are, you know what, I'm not touching that. I'm just gonna finish what I'm doing. I will clean that later. That is a smoothie that got moldy. Obviously, it was shoved back and I didn't see it. Totally forgot about it. But we're having we're having smash burgers tonight, French fries. Don't know what else, but let's just wipe this real quick. Even though I have to wipe it again, but it's just bugging me. Okay. See that? That's coffee stuff. This is coffee stuff. This is garbage. Sour cream. I'm afraid to open that. We'll do it later. Okay. Oh, hi.
Oh, hi there. Should have seen Maddie. She was freaking out.
I thought you were at work.
I was at work.
Okay.
You should have seen her. She was freaking out. She was like pointing at something. When she was in her car, I'm like, what are you pointing at? I come over. She's like, hey, get the spider, get the spider. I don't know where it went. So I grabbed
In the car while driving?
No, park.
Oh.
There's a little jumping spider. Then it comes into like a little door thing. Bang, get it, bang. Yeah, no.
How long has it been so far? It's shake it up. Let's go. You sound like boys. Let's go. Okay. Oh, come in with me. Okay. Should have done it backwards. This way. I really don't have time to be wiping every single thing, but I can do the main part of the fridge, and I'm not going to do the doors and stuff later. I mean, they're fine, but this is just, I was going to leave it before I saw what it looked like. It's like, oh my gosh. All right, and now that that's out, not doing the freezer, just doing that part. This is disgusting. Watch out. That's nasty. Where'd the other rag go? I'm like, oh, what is that? Nasty. Are you yelling at Jack? Okay, let me step back real quick. The doors are pretty much the same. I just kind of wiped what I could see real quick. The bottom drawer is completely empty, but yeah. It looks a lot nicer. So happy about that. I do have a whole sink full of dishes, and the blender needs a soak. That's disgusting. Okay, it's been a while. I got Jace. I just wanted to show you guys. Look what she does. Earl's home and everything. Julian apparently was going to Maddie's tonight, so he's at hers tonight. I thought you were him for a second. Earl just came inside, but yeah. Can I have a piece? Just like, why do you have to think about it? Yum, 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 yum. Thank you. You need the projector? I'll grab it. Hold on.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Sunlight, isn't it the way you're moving? Sunlight, is it in the way you're moving? What's heaven like when you're like that? Is it in the way you're moving?
Okay, so we ate dinner. We had smash burgers, which I'll put on the screen here in a little bit. But after we ate, I was just like instantly, I felt exhausted. And so when I came out to do the second part, that's why we shut the door the first time, is we were eating. And after we came back, I did not want to come out. Like at first, I did not want to do this at all. I was just thinking like, man, this is going to take forever. And I did already set some stuff outside. And I was thinking about it. It's like, you know what? I was thinking about the next day. Like if I woke up the next day and I didn't finish it, you know, I knew that would just bum me out. And yeah, I could do it that day too. But I was like, no, I'm going to push through to make myself tomorrow happy. I was thinking about future Monica. How would you feel when she woke up the next day and realized I didn't do it or I did do it? So I just pushed through it. basically what I did is I just took all the I was focusing on the bikes, so I took everything that was around the bikes. I did not empty everything out, but all the little things that were kind of thrown in there I took out first. And what's blocking the door is a coffee table top, the coffee table that I built when I was in high school in wood shop. I built that, but we kept the top just in case. I mean, it's nice wood. It's oak, but oak is good wood. So we just kept that for whatever reason. And there's baby gates leaning up against it. But what I'm doing is I'm moving things out of the way and scooting the bikes to the front on each side of the doorway, because that way when you walk in and you just want to grab your bike, you can roll it right out, you know. And I found this bin up here and I'm like, what is in there? And I found that it was because I put the bin up there and I was thinking, oh, I could use that. And then I was like, oh no, it's full. And then I'm like, wait a minute, maybe there's another bin. There was another empty bin, but it wasn't as big as that one. And so I took all the sleeping bags and tents and stuff out of that one, and I put it into a black one that I had found that is empty. It's like it's just shorter. It's about the same size, just a little bit shorter. And then I put as much Christmas decor as I could into that bin. And there's a black bin. And I thought about putting the Christmas one back up there, but I was like, no, because that's right around the corner. No one wants to talk about Christmas, but it's coming. And so I'm just trying to prepare so I don't have to dig for stuff later. And it feels good knowing I could just grab a bin and a few bags that have like the, what is it called? Not tinsel, but you know, oh my gosh, I can't even think of it. Whatever, you know what I mean? The long, bushy stuff that looks like trees. I cannot figure out what I'm talking about. It is so early right now when I'm doing this voiceover and I have not had coffee yet. But anyways, it feels good knowing that I just pushed through all of this and that I also got the fridge done, and I didn't do the whole fridge. You know, I can get to other stuff later, but sometimes that's all it takes, like just starting or doing part of a project, and then you feel more obligated to finish it because you're like, well, you know, it's halfway done. It's almost worse than not being done at all. It's not, but it feels like it because then it's an unfinished project. It's not even like not started. It's just unfinished. Kind of like the doorway in my laundry room. That needs to get taken care of. The window trim we need to put back in our living room window. There's some other stuff there's a lot of stuff around the house that needs to be taken care of. But right now, I'm thinking about Christmas time and winter time and like when it's so cold out that I don't want to be out here doing things like this. And I'm trying to just declutter or organize, you know, just all of that. Clean, wipe everything clean, like everything. But one thing I didn't do in here is sweep out all the floor. But it's okay. I can move the bikes out of the way and do that another day. But anyways, it feels amazing. So I urge you guys to just do a big project that you've been thinking you have it on your mind and you want it done, but you just don't want to do it because you feel like, oh, it's going to take forever. This is your little sign that you just need to do it because it's a huge weight lifted off your shoulders.
Anything else?
Yeah, hold on. This is the last thing. Good morning, it's a new day. It is the next morning. I'm making some coffee to add to my first cup, and then I'm gonna take you guys out to the shed and actually like show you a little bit better. I know you couldn't really see that well, but then I've got plans for today, but you won't see what that is until the next video. But let me get some coffee and then I will hang out for a little bit with you guys. Oh my goodness. So I don't have much room in this cup anymore, but I felt like I need a little bit. Oh, okay, that's kind of full. Let me get some milk out of my clean fridge. Voila! I'm feeling good today. I told Earl, I was like, I feel so good. Just like one little area at a time, you know, slowly but surely. And we will get there. It just feels really good. So, I don't know, I'm feeling like super motivated. And I think the key is just take your time. Like, you don't have to do the whole house. You don't have to do all of one area, you know, just start, do what you can, and then just continue. That way, I have more energy throughout my day. I do think oatmeal helps though, because I told Earl the other day, I was like, when I was pregnant, I remember having so much more energy. Granted, I wasn't taking care of a baby because she was inside of my belly, but I also remember that I ate oatmeal every single morning. And when I started that back up again this past week, I noticed a difference. So eat your oatmeal, you guys. You can add whatever you want into it. It never really sounds good, but it is good. It just tastes really good. I put a lot of cinnamon too. Cinnamon's really good. But let me take a drink of this coffee and go outside. Oh, I love you.
Mama.
Yeah, baby.
Mama.
We're gonna go outside this way. Every time I say we're gonna go outside, she runs to the front door. We're gonna go in the backyard. The backyard's back there. We're gonna go back there. Okay? Okay? Okay, let me get the coffee. All right. Okay, so I took this out. We've got to get rid of this. I just set it here for now. And got to get rid of actually some of her toys. But so I said these 2 boxes are garbage. I just didn't want to take them into the house and put them in the garage. But I didn't really show that great of a before, but if from the back, when I was like back far from the shed, you could tell it was like crazy. And now up there, I didn't really do anything differently. And it's not as packed as it seems. It's just everything's kind of towards the edge. There's some new flooring. This flooring is going to be put into both of our bathrooms. It's actually like way nicer than the flooring that we have. So that's one thing we've got to do at some point. The whole inside of the shed is like not done. That's just nasty. So I have no idea when or if we'll even do that, because we've been living here for so long and we just haven't done anything like that. And that's what it looks like up there. But I mean, it's just a shed. But yeah, there's a lot of things I see, like we don't ever use this bike rack thing. It goes on the back of a car. You like hook it into your trunk, and it, you know, there's things that we don't use. But for the most part, I took everything out. So there's huge cooler, and this is our theater for our projector that goes outside. This is the big thing that blows up. I put that in a video a while back. And all of the bin and up is Christmas stuff. So if I found another place, like a bag, and stuck all the tent stuff, sleeping bags and stuff, into a bag, I could use this for like the things that are just kind of sticking out. Not this, but like the garland and tree and stuff like that. And then we have some scooters that we're probably going to get rid of. Probably not going to keep all these bikes. We have 3 over there, and we have 2 over here. So, but And then we have the ladder, and then this is for my Forerunner that is out there. You can barely see the top of it. It's actually like jacked up really high. There's a machete, some rope, and those hanging together is kind of odd. But yeah, then we got a big old vacuum cleaner. This is to raise a bed up. And then the baby gates, some pieces of plywood that I cut off from when I was doing the roof on the she shed. We have 2 axes, a hula hoe, some wood pieces, boat motor, my old coffee tabletop, some gas cans, and a lot of pool cleaners under that. And then the fertilizer thing with fertilizer in it, a pump saw, pool thing, like that goes to a pool vacuum, or a thing that moves the stuff around so you can vacuum all the stuff out easier. And then a real weed eater. We have not been using this since we got our battery powered one. Just one that takes gas. And then chainsaw. And that, I can't think of the name of it right now. Hacksaw, I'm not sure. I don't think that's a hacksaw. No, this is a hacksaw, isn't it? I'm so confused. Whatever. But yeah, that is it. So let me see if I can climb up here real quick on the ladder. Oh, hold on. Okay. I'm standing on this ladder. So we have camping gear. A kid's tent is in this camo thing. We have some boxes that I could probably go through. It's probably, I don't know what's in there. It's heavy though. And then, let me turn on the flash. There. This is, there's a Hulk. This is just all that's up here with like computer stuff back in that corner. And then, I can't make it go any higher. I need like a selfie stick. But it just goes like the flooring, the black bin, a box, computer stuff in the back, a big bag, and then sleeping bag. We have a bunch of like camping stuff up here mainly, but you see what I mean. It's like all spread out. So, but yeah, it feels so much better. You can actually walk in here. Gotta take care of this today. Girl, mommy just tripped. Watch out, baby. I gotta pick you up. Okay, so someone was like, can't wait to see your snack box reveal. And then it made me wonder, it's like, did you even watch the whole video? But if they did, and they were just really curious as to what is actually in the snacks bin, instead of like thinking I got a snack box, you know what I mean? I don't know, sometimes you have to wonder. I'm not trying to be rude, I just wonder sometimes. But here is the snack bin reveal. Watch out, baby girl. Back up. So, let's see. What do we have in here? Here's Rice Krispie treats I made a while ago. And we have a big old olive jar full of goldfish that's like the cheese kind mixed with the pizza kind. We have a bag of my Hershey bars that I just share with everyone. The boys, they always like to buy us like snacks and stuff. And there's some more fish. Those can go in there. We have these little Scooby-Doo, what are they? Little graham cracker snacks. They're cinnamon. You know what is really good? Teddy Grahams. Oh my gosh. They're like underrated. And we have these. Honestly, Jace thinks they're really good. And it's an off-brand. I think I don't know how to explain it. I feel like they taste fake. They just have a weird taste to them. I don't know about those. So then we have Jace's last pack of Skittles in here. We have some bags of these little twisted Snyder pretzels. Jalen loves these. We have a bag of Ritz. And we have some of these little grilled cheese sandwich crackers. This girl. I was just gonna take those. I stopped the camera and I put it down. And I was just gonna grab that and I look. I'm like, really? I was gonna put them in here. But it's fine. I'll just leave it. Yeah, that's the snack box. Also, I just remembered something. So originally I put that on the bottom and Earl's like, where's the snacks again? And I'm like, oh my gosh. And I'm like, they're in here. And he's like, where? And I'm like pointing down there and he's like, I don't want to bend down to get a snack. What the heck? I'm like, oh wow, okay, no snacks for you then, I guess. You done? I'm just gonna walk around with that for a while. You have your little cup. I think she just feels special holding the bag to herself because I need to vacuum again. Also, this is paint. I need to get that off the floor. But she just feels special, like gosh, I can't get it off. Hold on. So when sorry, we have like Caillou on. When I try to just give her her snacks in her little snack cup, she doesn't want those goldfish. She never wants to eat them. But now she wants to eat them. It's so weird. Okay, I did get that paint. The paint spot off the floor. Every time I mop, I'm like, what the heck? And I'm like, oh, it's paint. And I ignore it. And it's like, come on. That's what I'm sick of. Just take care of it. And I just realized if any of you are into cars and stuff, or if any of you like 4Runners and are like curious, I think I'm just going to show you the 4Runner real quick. I figured, like, why not? I already brought it up. Why not actually show you? Okay. It's filthy, but it's pretty cool. Okay, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to leave me a heart down in the comments below, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.